Hi guys, today we'll understand like list. So as we know, like we are having order list and unordered list in HTML. So there are some tag like OL, UL, and then we use some LI tag inside that, right? So let us understand how to give a style to list, okay, by using CSS cascading a style set. So we'll see here in details. So the CSS list properties allows you to set a different list item markers for order list, set different list item markers for, I can say here, for unordered list, right? And we can also have some kind of image. So we can set image as a list item marker instead of, like, you can see this, we are having this circle, right? So here is the circle, here is the circle, right? Instead of this circle we can have a square, we can have a disk, right? And we can have an image also. So let us understand how to format it, how to give a style for this. In HTML, there are two types of list. Unordered list, the list items are marked with bullets. Ordered list, the list items are marked with numbers or letters, A, B, C, D, or 1, 2, 3. Some Roman and all is there. So with CSS, list can be styled further and images can be used as a list item marker. Okay. Now, the type of list item marker is fine with the list style item. Okay, list style type property is there. So you can see here we are having list style type, right? So you can notice this. We are setting circle, square, upper Roman, lower alphabet, right? So all we can apply here with order list and unordered list, right? We are having different class A and B. It's up to you. We can give that. Let us understand how it works. Okay. Now you can notice here I'm getting some kind of bullet, right? So I can say it is a circle, disc, square, and all, right? Some numbers, alphabets, all it is coming here. How we can do this? You can see here I have all here. So view source. Let us understand this code here. So it is just a list style type which you set the property like disk, circle, square, none. So will not have any bullets. You can check here. I am not using any bullets here, right? So decimal leading 0. We can get 1 to 3. Lower Roman or upper Roman. Similarly, you can use all this style here, right? So you notice here I'm using class A, class B, as I mentioned this much class here, right? Okay. So you understood this how to. So there's a actually properties what list style type that you have to use and you can pass these values, right? Okay. So some of the property values are for unordered list is what? None, no marker. Disk, you can use circle without filling, right? Circle, it is a the marker is circle. A square, you can use a square here. Armenian, the marker is traditional Armenian numbering. Decimal, it's a number. So if you say decimal leading 0, it will be 0, 1, 0, 2, 0, 3 like that, right? So you can use this kind of values with the property. There are some other order list we are having. Lower Latin, lower Roman, upper alphabet, right? So we can use all this as a bullet here. Now an image as a list item marker. So we can have an image here. Now you can notice here for that you have to say we have earlier used list style type, right? Now this time we are saying URL. I'm giving the image here. So To specify an image as a list item marker, you have to use the list style image, not list style type, right? Now you can see this example here that you can notice this. We are getting one image as a list here, right? As a marker. So how we can get it? You can see this one. Now right click, say view, view source. Now you're finding here that the list style, what we are giving, it's a shorthand kind of things, square and URL. If this image is not available, use a square, otherwise use this image lamp.gif. So every list is with this image lamp.gif, right? So cross browser solution, the following example display the image marker equally in all the browser. So you can give list style type none, padding 0 pixel, margin 0 pixel, li background image. You can use this URL lamp, background repeat, no repeat, background positions, padding. Okay. Well, so you can use UL and li. For UL, set the list style type to none to remove the list item marker. Set both padding and margin to 0 pixel for cross browser compatibility. So spacing and all will be equal throughout the browser, right? For li, set the URL of the image and show it only once, no repeat. So position the image where you want it, left 0 pixel and down 5 pixel. Position the text in the list with padding left. So we can specify all these size and positions. So that is a cross browser solution actually. In all the browser it will have the same time type. Shorthand, as I just now explained, that you just say list style. Don't say list style type or list style image. So if you say list style, you can say square and URL. So in this case, if this image doesn't support, okay, this will come, right. So it is possible to specify all the list property in one single property. This is called shorthand property, right. The shorthand property used for list is the list style property, right. So we understood list style type, list style image, and list style, right. If we want some position, we can say list style positions, and we can specify the positions according to that. The image will be on that position. Okay. So we understood this one, right. And these are the values which we can pass to list style type. Now there's a one concept like inside and outside, right. If you can see here, we are having position inside outside. What is that here? Look it now. If you just say inside here, so there's a little difference of inside. So you can see outside. If you're putting outside, there will be a difference between this marker and the text. But if you say inside, it will be near to this only, right? So see the difference between inside and outside here, right? Now come back to here and we get it here. So we are saying a square inside. So there's a less space between the content and the marker which we have, right. The list style shorthand property sets all the list properties in one declaration. The properties that can be set are list style type, list style position, and list style image. That is the order, right. So just give a type, means some square, circle, and positions inside, outside, and the image, right? If one of the values ever are missing, this style circle inside, the default value for missing property will be inserted. So circle inside will be the default value, and support is there throughout the browsers, right? And this I explained to you. So these are the stuff with the list, and we understood the CSS with list, right? So that's all about understanding of list.